Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to verify a location on YouTube TV. So I'm on YouTube TV, and suddenly it's asking me to verify my location. Usually, right when I'm just trying to watch something, of course. First thing I check is my device settings, because if location services aren't turned on, nothing's gonna work. I also make sure I'm not using a VPN or anything that messes with location because YouTube TV is very picky about that. Once that's sorted, I tap my profile icon, head into settings, and go straight to the location section. From there, I select home area and hit update. It'll prompt me to verify using my browser, so I just follow along and allow access. Takes a few seconds, nothing dramatic. Quick tip though, don't update your home area if you're just traveling. You only get a couple of changes per year, and wasting one on a weekend trip, that's a commitment you didn't sign up for. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.